Hello guys, how are you? Hola chicos, hola chicas. Welcome to another video on how to learn Spanish. Bienvenidas a otro video sobre cómo aprender español. Today we're gonna keep learning the colors. Okay, repeat after me. Rojo. Rojo is red. Azul. Azul is blue. Amarillo. Amarillo is yellow. Rosado. Rosado is pink. Negro. Negro is black. Blanco. Blanco is white. Then we have verde. Verde is green. Then we have morado. Morado is purple. Café. Café is brown. Naranja. Naranja is orange. Lila. Lila is lilac. Then we have celeste. Celeste is sky blue. Then we have, this one is really easy, gris. Gris is gray. Then we have dorado. Dorado is golden. And last color we have plateado. Plateado is silver. Then we have like light and dark. We have oscuro is dark. Oscuro. And then we have claro. Claro. That's light. Now that you know these colors, let's try to have a small practice. I'm going to show you some images and you have to remember and say the name of the color in Spanish. Okay? What color is this apple? Es rojo. Very good. Next one. What color is this banana? Amarillo. Amarillo. Okay, next one. What color is this watermelon? Rojo and verde. Very good. Next one. What color is this flower? Lila. Lila. Very good. Last one. What color is this orange? Naranja. Very good. Perfect. So remember to memorize all the words in the vocabulary section, answer all the questions in the quiz, and check out all the highlights in the PDF. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. I hope you liked the lesson. Bye-bye.